Today, we talk about...
Hello. Okay, let's see what we get. Yes, I remember. That's such a big box for such a tiny package, but... So, the key here. I kind of hate this, but I kind of don't. So you got swooshity swoosh written there. That's kind of cool. That's kind of cool. Now I don't believe the original box looked like this. It may have, but I definitely didn't have a Nike box of this nature. So I had to pull out all the stats. Actually, let me read this. Let me see what it says. Oh, this is kind of cool. Okay, go. Now the key for this shoe, I want you to pay attention to the little Hawaii. Hey. And the reason for that is, it came with the socks. Gucci socks. I forgot how it goes. Oh wow, this is way cleaner than the ones I have. So I had the vintage pair because I had no idea that they would ever retro these. This was back when I first started collecting sneakers, and I was looking for the very first ever Nike shoe with air in it, air technology. So it's not visible air like the Nike Air Max 1, but it does got the air tech in there. You can't appreciate it as much as you could with the Air Max, obviously, but this is still a historic shoe. Get the Nike on the insole there, bump, little foamy tongue, bump, nice little bop of blue. Yeah, very clean shoe. The reason I decided to quote double up on it, I wouldn't call it a double up really, but first things first, I'm the realist. Oh, actually, this is from Extra Butter, and I'm actually going there today for the first time, so that's poetic AF. Yeah, this was from 1979. That's when these came out, and I referenced Hawaii because they debuted these at Hawaii Marathon of some sort down there. Oh wow, this is a really buttery swoosh. Look at that. Would you look at it? Would you just look at it? This is classic. This would go in my fit fairly okay. Plus you got the waffle outsole, classic for Nike. And yeah, I hate that the original pair I had, the Quick Strike from, I forget what year, 2013, 14, 15 era, had the vintage midsole, like on purpose, which was super dumb in my opinion. Way prefer OG to OG to OG. Just let me vintage the ish out of it, Nike. Thank you very much. But yeah, wow, this is super buttery. And it came from Extra Butter. Okay, enough corny. We out. Can't remember if I mentioned the name of these. The Nike Tailwinds. Yeah. 1979, first ever Nike Air product. What'd it do? Bye.